As I promised, here we starts with the PubSub demo app. I have already created the application. Let's just have a look how it looks. Okay, so we have got node modules over here. Then we have SRC, in which we are having an application. Cool. So everything looks pretty much fine till now. What I'll need to do just I'll need to create two components, and later than that I'll also need to fetch the PubSub. Okay, so first thing first, let's create a folder within the app. So what I'll do, I'll just create not the app, sorry, in the SRC I'll create a folder named libraries. Okay, this library will contain two different components, but for time being we'll just generate the components with the help of Angular's generate component. So what I'll do, I'll just open another terminal. Here we'll use ng generate component. What should be the name? Publisher. Okay, publisher sounds good. Publisher. Let it get created. It'll take some time. So I know this issue. Let's do this. It is actually trying to check in here if that has been imported or not. So that's the thing. So we are done with the publisher. Let's now generate the subscriber. Jesus, subscriber. Sorry, misspelling. GG subscriber. Again, it's the same thing. Oh, but we have skip import, right? Got it. So both of the things are there. Okay. Now what I'll need to do, I'll need to just put on some random code over here. So first thing first, what I will do, first ng on init. Are you there? Yep, there. So in ng on init, what should be your first task is to publish the data, not the publish the data, and this will be belonging to this, and let's have the quick fix. So in publish data, what we'll do, we'll need to import we'll need to publish. Okay, so I'll do this later, what publish thing need to do, but before that we just need some random data, right? So create a variable, name it as data, and it should be of type any as of now, and it contains some strings, list of strings like publish. So public, being a Java fan, it start like this: public, then static, later on void, and then main. Okay, so there is a catch. It is not a correct value, right? So any value doesn't means we can put anything out here, but what if we do like this? Yeah, this way it works. Why? Because earlier it was considered as an object, now it is considered as list, and that's the issue, that was the issue earlier. So we are having the data over here. Now what I need to do, I need to have one subscriber method over here. So what first thing first, and you are in it. You are there. Then I'll need to subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which doesn't exist. So subscribe to the data. Subscribe. Sorry for my spelling mistakes. Data. Got it. And now we have to make a subscription. Again, it's the same thing. We have not yet imported the PubSub. We have not yet implemented the PubSub. So what we'll do, we'll just okay. So though the data is coming, I may take it into another variable, or I can just directly display it. So what we'll be doing, we'll just understand it later. As of now, just get this library installed in our application. Few steps back, or rather change the repo. Oh wait, I should jump to PubSub demo app, right? And now I should install it. It will take some time. Till then, what I'll do, oops, that was very fast. Okay, so things are pretty much clear now. Let me just add this over here. Okay, some spelling, got it. Here you go. So now two things are clear. Means our PubSub is done. Sorry, PubSub installation is done, and now I want to publish it from here. So what I'll do, I'll just need to import the RxJS PubSub. RxJS PubSub. Okay, we got it. And then what we'll need to do, we'll need to just use it. RxJS PubSub dot publish event, and what will the event publish event will be having two different things. First would be your event name. Let's suppose it is publish data underscore data, and here you go with the value that you want to emit on the emit with the event. So okay, this also need to be this. Great, it looks perfect till now. Just save it over here. Okay, now let's go to subscriber. What will he will do, he or she, anything. What will be done over here, we have to just subscribe it. But how? Again, using the same old thing called as import RxJS PubSub, and go into this function and do the subscribe. In subscribe, we have to define the event of the event name. What was that? Publish data. Let me just reconfirm it. Okay, it is the same publish data. Now when the data comes, we have to use the fat arrow function over here. We will be having the data which we need to log now. So that's why I want to create another variable over here, which would name like data to paint. Where to paint? On the HTML, obviously, right? As of now, just give it some random data type. Okay, wait, why it is not given me any error? It should be undefined, either or. Okay, so our data to paint will be assigned with the data that is coming. right? So till now everything looks fine, great. Now main thing, we have to add both of these things over here, and but before that we have not actually shown it over here. So what I'll do, I'll create a div or maybe ng container, which would be having a for loop. The reason being, we are having the list of the items, right? So ng for not items, we are having here data to paint, right? And this should be the individual data point. And in here what we'll do, we'll just need some interpolation and providing it also data point, correct. So this is done. For the publisher we don't really need anything, and in app.component what we'll need to call the publisher event. And okay, so before than that, what we'll actually need to do, we have to put the we have to first put the subscriber over here, which would be painting everything over here. And when we subscribe it, oh okay, got it. So we have to define it over here. It is the part of the same thing. We have not defined any module over here. Let's just put it inside the declarations, subscriber component and publisher component. Same goes nowhere, just import it. Now importing is done, we are having it over here. Let's try to run it. npm start. I hope to have some errors. It's done. Let's see what the output is. Nothing. It's a pretty ordinary code, right? App subscriber is there, but nothing happened more than that. So what should we do? And publisher is there, publisher is publishing the code, but nothing actually happened over here, right? The control has never gone into the publisher component. So what we'll do, we'll just attach the publisher as well in here. Okay, I have done that, and here you can see public static void main publisher works. But what is this? Publisher should not be having any value. Just remove it like dumb. Yeah, it's done. Now we are having it in the form of public static void. Boring. So what I'll do, I'll just put some extra cheese on the pizza. I'm just joking. I'll just use the div over here. Yeah, so here you can see public static void main are shown like this. Now let's understand the flow again. So when any of the data we want to circulate between two components, like here we are having publisher and subscriber. So at that time what we do, we create we take the help of some PubSub library. Here in this case it is RxJS PubSub. Also we had seen something called as NGX PubSub, which is more uh, of an Angular service. When we are having that PubSub library, what we do, we from any component where we want to use the data, we subscribe the event, and the event is going to be published by some another component which want from where we want to get the data. Here you can see our publisher component which gives the data, it publishes, and where we want it in the subscriber event, subscriber component. So here it subscribes to it and then get the data, and after getting the data it performs the operation as per the need. Here what we had done, we had just assigned the data and we have painted it.